Hi guys, today we are going to learn Python. Before that, we need to download the Python first. So actually, there's a lot of option you can download Python. So the first is you can download directly from the Python website. You can Google the Python and then you click on the download link here. Then this page will appear. So you can click on the download Python 3.11.4 here. Then you can download another editors and you can run the code in terminal. So the other option is you can download from the Visual Studio. You can Google search Visual Studio, click on download, and then you can select the community version. And then when the installer pop up here, you can select the Python development. So this Python will be installed in our Visual Studio. So the software developer like me, which is uses C Sharp a lot, uses Microsoft technology a lot, so I will prefer using Visual Studio. Then if another choice is you can download from Anaconda. This Anaconda is a tools which is contain another tools inside the Anaconda. So there's a lot of tools in Anaconda you can use and help you in developing a Python program. But this Anaconda, certain application, a certain toolkit, you need to pay. There's a price for it. But for me, I will prefer using the Visual Studio. So from these three choices to install the Python, what is the difference? Directly Python or Visual Studio or Anaconda? Actually, the Visual Studio and Anaconda provides IDE, integrated development environment, but the Python itself just only the interpreter or compiler only. So you need a code editor to write a code, and then you need a terminal to run the Python code. So for me, for starter, we can use directly either one, either it's Visual Studio or Anaconda. So it will make your work easy. It will make your setup easier. Okay.